Welcome friends in our drawing class for standard 6. Today we are going to learn a color wheel with 6 parts. So let's draw a color wheel here. This is a center point. Okay. Then using radius and your compass, do the 6 parts here. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6 in this side. I don't have the instruments, so by comparison I will do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it on your drawing paper properly, the instruments. Now here, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total 6 parts are here. The first one is for primary colors. Skip, then second, then third and then fourth. These are primary colors. So which are they? Here I write primary colors. First one yellow, then red, and third one blue. So right here white and red and blue. Okay. Next, the remaining 3 parts here. These are secondary colors. There are again 3 in number. So by adding primary colors in same proportion, we get secondary colors. Means white plus red, we get here which one? White plus red. Any guess? It is orange. Okay, orange it is. Orange. Then red plus blue. First and the last one. Take yellow, then add with blue. When yellow add with blue, we get green. So in this way, 3 secondary colors and 3 primary colors completes our color wheel here. Orange, red plus blue, we get violet, blue plus yellow, or yellow plus blue, we get green. So give that colors in that particular place and complete this color wheel. So So how we get secondary colors? We get secondary colors after adding primary colors in equal proportion, and primary colors are called as basic colors because they are natural. We can't get them by adding any other colors. They are pure in natural. So basic colors, and we get secondary colors after adding primary colors. So in this way we learn these 6 parts color wheel. So let's try it on our drawing sheet. Okay. Friends, for the 6 part color wheel, so draw a circle like this, then using this same radius keep the pointer on circumference, then mark like this. I have to move. Here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 marks here, and this is the center. So this one and this one. Draw a line including these 3 straight points. So for this I need a scale. Friends, now join the straight lines. So place the points properly on the line and then draw the line in this way. Carefully draw the lines. So don't draw dark lines, but here I can draw dark line so that you can see it properly. But when you use it, use always faint lines. So keep it aside. Friends, this is a box 12 shade student poster colors, Camel company it is. Look here like this. Here we have vermilion, and this is poster red. Read here, poster red. So this one we need poster red. Then lemon yellow here. Chrome yellow and yellow ochre. So use here lemon yellow. Then cobalt blue. So we have here one more blue Persian. It is dark one. So use cobalt blue. Some people always use cadmium yellow here, but we don't have here cadmium yellow. So here lemon yellow only. So use it, poster red, lemon yellow and cobalt blue. These 3 shades we need only. So keep it the box aside. One dish also we need. Then brush and one cotton cloth. So take the first one. Well, use the light color first. Don't use colors directly from the bottle, remember. Then like this. clean your brush and only tips dip into the color and then try it on the paper. Again take color. So when you move the drawing sheet, you can give the color properly and easily. Now clean the brush properly. Then take next shade red, the color must be on the tips only. Do it by patiently and properly. This way we complete this red part also. Clean your brush. Then try the blue one. When you get in new shades, oil is there, so always mix this oil well in the color and then take it out. So don't throw the oil. It is hard, so use some water. Poster colors are always thick, so use water. That much. It is easy to spread the color. Don't use too much water. In this way we finish this coloring. Now by combining two primary colors we get one tertiary color. So we have here already blue. what I am just saying, not tertiary. Secondary colors we get yellow equal quantity and then blue, so mix it with yellow. Look here, blue is more, so we have some, we need here one small yellow color here. Is it good or not? Wait. Okay, we mix it well now, so apply on the paper. Friends, we have here again yellow and red, these two primary colors. So take same part of red and then yellow, we get orange. Start applying it. Now friends, here one space only remains. For that, use blue and red. Now see friends, this is a 6-part color wheel. Here this yellow, then orange, red, violet, blue, and the last one is green. Friends, in this way we done this color wheel. So do it at home. So what we call here 6-part color wheel. It is Smart's color wheel. Okay. So we will see next activities depend on these colors. These colors are used in design, then nature drawing. Everywhere we use these colors in our drawing. So in the next activity we will use these colors. Till then, good night, take care, bye bye.